Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, can I help you?
Check it in.
Your last name?
Sephora. S-E-C-O-R-A.
Are you only checking in one of the rooms or two?
Is there another guy staying? We have.
He's already checked in.
He's already checked in, yes.
Yeah, so you have two left.
Yes, yes.
You're checking in the other
yes,
two?
Yep. Is this for both parking spots?
So you have two spots with these two rooms. If you could read that over and sign the bottom. Initially here that you understand we are a smoke-free facility, so if you do smoke, you do so down at the street. I need your vehicle information and your contact information.
I only smoke them on fire. It's happened twice. Not good. But that's the only time. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, roll it out. I'm surprised you don't have it out yet.
The trailer wet.
Purple.
Watch out, senior.
I've got these two. Give you.
Oh. Get her?
Yeah, you got it.
Nice.
We got a little thing running around the block. Never got that far until we drove the first time to get here. It's got one of those deaths that rattles, you know.
Well, I'm trying to go from Spring Shackle or the lower
I like that idea with the jack though.
What's that?
Using the jack to bend it.
The other stuff done so easy, I don't know if it's going to be that hard. With all the leverage we got out there. But we'll see.
You just gotta be careful not to bend it.
John, have you met Lee?
So,
It's rose preventative.
yeah. If you want to bend, you want it to, like it's
Leave it a
welded.
little loose so we can bend it and then tighten it.
That turns, right?
Yeah.
So if you, see how,
What do you think? I'd never run it, huh?
That's it right there.
That's it. Let's just leave it.
That's it.
I say we leave it, I think. Yeah. Let's just leave it. Thank you. Appreciate you. Let's put that other clamp on and
You got the nut.
Put another eighth on it.
where I come from, we went quarter out.
No,
Road racing world where he's from. They get a tow out. Yeah. He's got a Celine carbon fiber car. Made 6 of them and they used to race it. He was in college and hung all the carbon fiber on it. It's got at 180 mile an hour.
Stop.
They got a belt.
Is that ring?
Let him start it up.
Safety ring?
It's kind of
Yeah, it is. The shock on it. But
may not make a difference in the sand, but
right.
I don't know, Tommy. You might want to check that because I put a tape on it in your garage and I didn't come up with an 8.
Come up with.
Dead even.
Is it worse? What your question
I
is?
don't know, I'm just, yeah.
It is what it is. You got it tight.
It's tight. It's nice
Yeah.
and off.
Feels better. So I'm gonna loosen those brackets up. You just bolt it down. We're gonna check. My dad thinks it's got 0 toe on it. I thought it had an 8, which I was gonna leave.
Got about an 1/8 out.
That's a cool son of a bitch, isn't it, Bob?